Oceanfront mansions. Oceanfront mansions are luxury homes built directly along the coastline, usually facing open water with uninterrupted views of the sea. These properties are common in Malibu, California, Palm Beach, Florida, the French Riviera, and parts of Dubai. What makes them so valuable is their rare location. Land right next to the ocean is limited and strictly regulated. Large glass walls, private beach access, and expansive terraces allow the ocean to become part of the living space. Many of these homes include private docks, infinity pools, and outdoor lounges designed for sunset views, creating a feeling more like a resort than a residence. Some famous people to have lived in oceanfront mansions include Beyoncé and Jay-Z in Malibu, John Lennon and Yoko Ono on Palm Beach, and Sylvester Stallone in Palm Beach. Prices for oceanfront mansions range from $20 million to $250 million, with Jay-Z's Malibu estate listed near $200 million. Mountain mansions. Mountain mansions are luxury estates built high above cities or deep within mountainous regions. They are often found in Aspen, in Colorado, the Swiss Alps, and the hills above Los Angeles. These homes are prized for elevation, privacy, and sweeping views of valleys, forests, or city skylines. Mountain mansions are usually designed to blend with their surroundings using stone, timber, and natural materials. Large fireplaces, wide balconies, and floor-to-ceiling windows capture both warmth and scenery, while colder regions often include ski resort access for winter retreats. Some famous people to have lived in mountain mansions include Kevin Costner in Aspen, Tina Turner in Küsnacht, Switzerland, and Ben Affleck in Pacific Palisades, Los Angeles. Prices generally range from $10 million to $50 million, with ultra-private estates exceeding $100 million. Penthouse mansions. Penthouse mansions occupy the highest floors of luxury skyscrapers, often taking up an entire level or multiple levels at the very top. They are most common in cities such as New York City, London, Hong Kong, and Dubai. These homes sit hundreds of meters above street level, offering panoramic city views and high levels of privacy. Penthouses often include private elevators, rooftop terraces, double-heighted living rooms, and indoor pools overlooking the city. Some famous people to have lived in penthouse mansions include Sting in New York City, Jeff Bezos in Miami, and Rihanna in London. Prices typically range from $10 million to $80 million, though some exceptional properties, like the 220 Central Park South Penthouse in NYC, have sold for over $200 million. Historic mansions. Historic mansions are grand homes built decades or even centuries ago, preserved or restored by wealthy owners. Many were originally constructed by industrialists, royal families, or political figures. They often feature ornate staircases, antique fireplaces, hand-carved woodwork, and intricate ceilings. Some famous people to have lived in historic mansions include George Clooney in Villa Oleandra on Lake Como, Taylor Swift in the Samuel Goldwyn estate in Beverly Hills, and Johnny Depp in Plan de la Tour near Saint-Tropez. Prices generally fall between $5 million and $50 million, with landmarked or extensively restored estates exceeding $100 million. Glass mansions. Glass mansions are modern homes built with extensive glass walls, replacing traditional solid exteriors to create openness and connection with the environment. These homes are especially common on hillsides in Los Angeles, offering dramatic city and hillside views. Interiors are flooded with sunlight during the day, and the homes glow like lanterns at night. Some famous people to have lived in glass mansions include Dakota Johnson in Hollywood Hills and Kanye West in Miami. Prices typically range from $10 million to $50 million, though some exceptional properties like A320 in Anton River South reaching over $200 million.
Smart mansions. Smart mansions are homes where nearly every function is automated via advanced technology, Lighting, temperature, security systems, and entertainment can all be controlled through smartphones or voice commands. Many also include hidden rooms, rotating walls, and climate-controlled art galleries. Some famous people to have lived in smart mansions include Bill Gates in Xanadu 2.0, Medina, WA, and Mark Zuckerberg in his Palo Alto and Lake Tahoe homes. Prices typically range from $20 million to $125 million, depending on size and tech sophistication. Mega estates. Mega estates are enormous properties spanning dozens of acres, often containing multiple buildings within a private compound. Main houses are complemented by guest houses, staff quarters, private theaters, gyms, and large garages. Landscaped gardens, private lakes, and walking trails fill the grounds, creating a self-contained luxury environment. Some famous people to have lived in mega estates include Drake in Toronto with the Embassy Mansion and Oprah Winfrey in Montecito with the Promised Land. Price ranges generally fall between $25 million and $150 million, with rare or ultra-private properties exceeding $200 million. Desert mansions. Desert mansions are homes built in arid, sun-soaked regions such as Arizona, Nevada, and parts of the Middle East. They are designed to withstand intense heat, often with thick stone walls, shaded courtyards, and reflective surfaces. Many feature central courtyards with water elements, while large overhanging roofs and terraces allow outdoor enjoyment during hot afternoons. Some famous people to have lived in desert mansions include Elon Musk in a desert-adjacent Austin, Texas property, and Mohammed Hadid in Beverly Hills. Prices typically range from $5 million to $50 million, with high-end estates reaching $75 million. Private island mansions. Private island mansions are homes built on islands fully owned by an individual or family, offering unmatched privacy. Access is typically by boat, helicopter, or small aircraft. These estates often include multiple villas, beaches, docks, and staff villages. Some famous people to have lived in private island mansions include Richard Branson on Necker Island, Johnny Depp on Little Hall's Pond Cay, and Leonardo DiCaprio on Blackador Cay. Price ranges generally fall between $10 million and $200 million, with rare islands like Lanai selling for over $300 million. Underground mansions. Underground mansions are homes built partially or entirely beneath the earth, offering temperature stability, privacy, and security. While modest from the outside, the interiors can be expansive, including large rooms, skylights, and connecting tunnels. Some famous people to have lived in underground mansions include Larry Ellison in Woodside, California, and tech executives in Silicon Valley. Prices typically range from $5 million to $75 million, depending on size and level of customization. Resort-style mansions. Resort-style mansions are designed to feel like permanent holiday destinations, emphasizing leisure and outdoor living. Features often include large swimming pools, lazy rivers, private water slides, tennis courts, and outdoor cinemas. Palm trees, landscaped gardens, and open pavilions create a five-star resort atmosphere. Some famous people to have lived in resort-style mansions include Tiger Woods in Jupiter Island, Florida. Prices generally fall between $10 million and $150 million, with ultra-luxury properties exceeding $150 million.